stay back here because otherwise he's going to videotape us and put it on TV.
Don't be scared. Trying to avoid puddles here. Come on. Go. We're off. Ah! Oh, my feet are wet. A bicyclist cruising through here. I guess you could do it on a mountain bike. That'd be kind of cool. Good job. Come on. Tina, let's go. Come on, dog. How you doing? Come on, Tina. Let's go. Oh. Daylight. Whew. Flashlight, water shoes. Make sure you bring them. There you are, Benny. How you doing back there, babe? How you doing back there? Lots of graffiti. Some of it's really cool art, some of it's just graffiti. All right. Overlook Donner Lake, partially. Still a lot of snow for this time of year. I believe the rest of the tunnel should be fairly short. That was the very start. Soda Springs. There's dog. Dog going right to the water.
You kept coming back and touching on him.
She's a good girl, that's huh? You're a good girl, huh, Benny? What do you need? Smells like fresh paint.
What's that?
It smells like fresh paint. We got a little bulldozer out here. I'm guessing to move the snow. That is what I was thinking. Multiple ways to enter the tunnels. This one you park off of Highway 40 and walk up, but I would recommend doing it from the beginning at Soda Springs. Much easier than having to go straight up right from the start. That's pretty cool. Come on, bro.
The part that helped was the smaller ones within
That's kind of cool. Okay. Okay, pig. Oh. Hold on. Your dog.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
I think there's a water dog. See the water pit bull. Oh, looks like we get to cross over some snow here. Cross over snow. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. There's some glitter or something in there too. Come on, little dog. So a big old hunk of, that's weird. They must push the snow into this, into the cave.
Why?
Oh, I mean, it doesn't snow in here. It's raining on a sunny day. I don't know if I could do this, but hey. Find these little open spots every now and again. You can get a little break. Usually there's not this much snow this time of year. Watch out, dog. Move. Random graffiti. Every society has the criminal it deserves. Okay. There you go. Not right this second. Getting all wet there, Fina? Huh? How about you, Benno? You getting all wet?
You're good, Ben. You're a good girl. I think she thinks I'm like getting a lot.
What does this say? What's that say?
I don't know. C-H-O.
Phase. All right.
Phony?
Phase. Come on, Benny. Oh.
You guys gotta come up with nobody.
Oh, you guys are looking at people. Huh? They're trying to get to these guys right here. The spaceman. Colorful stuff.
Yep. You didn't bring paint.
Well, that is way out of my wheelhouse. Come on. Hi, Benny. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Don't be afraid. You'll be all right. Inside waterfall. Like that, people just putting their names on there. That's just stupid. To me, it is. But, maybe not everybody. Come on, little tiny dog. Serena. Come on, doggy doggies. Those are different. Getting all rained on, huh, Fina Bear? Interesting. Good girl. Well, there you go. Got your stick. Good dogs. You saved the stick again. That's pretty cool. Ooh, look at this one. That one kind of looks like one of Jeff Dunham's puppets. Oh. Feet are wet already, I guess it doesn't matter. That's the snow runoff. That's alright. Even in the middle of summer on a so-so winter, you can expect to get your feet wet in here. Holy moly. How's it going, guys? Yeah, wet feet, but I'm good.
Yeah.
Come on, dog. Come on, Benny. How you doing, dogs? What a perfect day. Pitbull! Benno!
You guys playing?
Someone must have got wet. Looked like it was deep down there. Yeah. Retard dog. Pull yourself off there, Benny, huh?
Did you see the heart in there that was made out of like the lights?
It was made out of what?
Like how the light comes through? And it was shining down the ground and it like made this perfect heart?
No, I didn't see that.
I took a picture of it.
There's a rat. Big rat.
That's full of gold, my darling. So what are these things for?
I'm sure they served their purpose back in the day. I couldn't tell you what for, but that's pretty colorful right there. I like the stuff that adds color.
Yeah.
Not just the graffiti shit like Chaz. You bring nothing to the game there, Chaz. Ooh. Look at Donner Lake. Little Donner Lake overlook.
Oh wow. Oh, this is pretty. People were out there on boats, is that what that is?
Oh yeah. Boats, jet skis.
Not that one. That's pretty. I'm surprised you're out there.
Ow. Huh? Let's go this way. Well, that's pretty cool. True statement. Music connects people. Come from this end, look at all that snow still up on the hill.
Oh yeah. What is that about?
I have no clue right now.
Is that Costa Rica?
Yeah. Not exactly sure where. What are you doing, Benny? Another view of Donner Lake. All right. Whoops, don't fall down. Coming to the end of tunnel number 5. Kind of looks like gargoyles and stuff with the light hitting it.
Yeah.
And come out of the wall and grab you.
Very cool.
That's pretty cool. True statement. Music connects people. Come from this end, look at all that snow still up on the hill.
Oh, yeah. What is that about?
I have no clue right now.
Is that towards Rita?
Yeah. Not exactly sure where. What are you doing, Benny? Another view of Donner Lake.